Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a real mobile number that accepts SMS or voice, and that your Fiverr app or browser is up to date. Once done, go to Settings, Account Info, and tap Phone Verification. Enter your country code and number exactly as shown, because mismatches block OTP delivery. Then request the OTP and wait. Make sure notifications and message permissions are enabled so the one-time code can arrive instantly. Otherwise, retry after checking Signal and when the code arrives, type it immediately into Fiverr's verification field. Delays or extra requests often trigger anti-fraud blocks. If the SMS doesn't come, choose the voice call alternative and answer within the time frame, because Fiverr accepts both. Make sure you are not using VPN or carrier-level SMS filtering, which can interfere. If Fiverr asks for ID verification, upload a clear, well-lit photo of the same legal ID whose name matches your account. Consistency here prevents rejection and speeds approval. Once you submit the code and any required ID, check account info to confirm the verified badge. If verification seems stuck, log out and back in, because the UI sometimes lags. If you still fail, contact Fiverr support and provide clear screenshots, your carrier name, and timestamps of attempts so they can trace issues. As a practical troubleshooting tip, disable VPN, try a different device, or use the voice call option. Those steps solve most delivery and blocking problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.